C2S2M management technology, driven by AI and blockchain, is still a business hypothesis awaiting validation. It is not a proven large-scale success. So why should investors pay attention? And why would consumers, knowledge intermediaries, and manufacturers join the experiment? The answer cannot simply be because it uses AI. What really needs judging is whether the mechanism is built on real business logic, and whether it can be validated at low cost. C2S2M is not solving an invented problem. Consumers need trustworthy products, prices, and service. Knowledge intermediaries have relationships and industry knowledge, but lack credible supply and collaboration tools. Manufacturers can produce, but don't always have enough market channels. These pain points have long existed. The task of management technology is to organize scattered demand, relationships, knowledge, and capacity into collaboration chains that can complete transactions. The core of C2S2M is not a mysterious algorithm, but understandable business logic. Knowledge intermediary S understands consumer needs. Manufacturer M provides products, quality, and fulfillment. S helps both sides understand each other, advance the deal, and provide service. Only after a successful transaction does S earn commission and a share of new value. Only if consumers are satisfied and buy again does S gain recurring income. So honest service is not just an ethical demand. It is tied to S's own long-term interest. What AI can improve is not human nature, but the consistency of rule enforcement. Manual allocation is easily swayed by rank, relationships, and on-the-spot bargaining. AI can apply one version of the rules to organize the contribution evidence submitted by different participants and produce an allocation proposal. But AI is not inherently fair. With unreasonable rules or incomplete data, AI makes mistakes too, so AI can only assist judgment. It must not become an unquestionable final referee. A trustworthy allocation process should start before the transaction. Rules must be published in advance. Data must be authorized. Contributions must leave evidence. What AI generates is only a proposal. Participants can view the reasoning, raise objections, and request human review. Only after confirmation does the system execute final settlement. This is not letting AI replace governance. It is letting AI execute the rules while people supervise the rules. Blockchain is good at recording who authorized what and when, which version of the rules each side accepted, who completed which task, and how settlement was finalized. It makes tampering with records after the fact much harder. But blockchain cannot automatically prove that the original input was true. So identity, qualifications, product quality, and service evidence still need verification. Blockchain strengthens accountability. It does not replace it with blind trust. What consumers trust is not a black box recommendation, but clear information, a real accountable party, and the option to exit. What knowledge intermediaries trust is that their customer relationships and service contributions won't be taken for free, and that deals and repeat purchases can build recurring income. What manufacturers trust is that the platform protects their existing customers and channels, participates only in new collaborative value, and helps products reach markets they never covered. The three sides trust for different reasons. The platform must answer each of their questions separately. Validating C2S2M does not require building a platform covering every industry from day one. Start with one specific category, one region, and a small number of participants. Let real consumers raise demand. Let knowledge intermediaries provide service. Let manufacturers deliver products and fulfillment. Then observe whether one complete transaction chain actually holds. Small-scale experiments like this can quickly reveal whether problems come from the product, the market, the roles, the rules, or the technology. Investors don't need to first believe grand profit forecasts. What's worth watching is, are consumers willing to buy and buy again? Does S really lower communication and acquisition costs? Do manufacturers gain new customers and new markets? Does the platform reduce management and settlement disputes? Most importantly, does the profit the platform distributes come from users' existing business or from new collaborative value? Only when these questions can be answered does a project move from story to business validation. From day one of design, management technology must write compliance into its processes. Platform fees and profit-sharing terms must be clear. Algorithms must not be used for secret discriminatory pricing. User data must be authorized. Consumers must have the right to know, to choose freely, and to fair trade. AI must never become an excuse to reject appeals. And if video, images, or audio are AI-generated, they should be labeled according to current regulations. So why trust AI management technology governance? Not because AI is always fair. Not because blockchain is absolutely reliable. Not because a new theory is bound to succeed. But because it proposes a testable causal chain. Real demand drives transactions. Deals bring commissions. Repeat purchases reward honest service. Contributions leave evidence. AI helps execute the rules. Blockchain strengthens accountability. And people retain the right to supervise and correct. Real trust does not come from technology worship. It comes from the validation of one real transaction after another.